Hi everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate about how to run APP, along with that how to generate the Idocs. This is a very important configuration. All FI consultant should know about this. So first and the foremost, what configuration you need to do in FBZP. So first you have to come to payment methods in country. So wait for some more time. My system is responding a little late. By the way, I'm doing the sessions on production support. So I'll be recording those sessions, then I'll be uploading that. Kindly watch it. This will be helpful for your production support activities. Most of it on real time only. So select country IN, then click on details. Scroll down little. This is very important. Payment media program is very important. This program you have to embed in your payment method. This is the first configuration what you have to do. The next is, go back, then payment method in company code. Just we will check it. Then 2021, click on details. Anything here we will check. This is, we don't have anything here. So this also nothing is here. Then go back, then go to paying company code, then click on position, select your company code, then here go to form data. Here again EDA accompanying sheet form. This is very important. This script you have to enter and save it. These are the two important configuration in FBZP. Now I'll show you. I'll pass one entry for that vendor. Even for vendor master also you have to assign the payment method C. I'll show you that also. Then select that vendor. Let's wait till it responds. Go to next screen. Then bank country, bank key, bank account is a mandatory. Click on next screen. Say no. Then go say no again. Go back. Then select account info, payment transaction. Again press enter. Go to next, then next. See, this payment method is very important. You need to assign to the particular vendor. Then I'll pass one entry. I'll select /n FB01. You can also select any appropriate T code for vendor master creation. Vendor master transaction posting. Click on the date. Then select the type. Then select the company code, currency. Then posting key, I'll select 31. Then I'll select the vendor. I'll enter amount. Then I'll select payment method C. Then I'll select 40. I'll select the expenses account. I'll press star. Then I'll click on save. You can simulate a document also before saving. That is the best practice. So now you can see the document got saved. Now I'll go to F110 to run the APP. Now I'll give the date, run date, always current date. Then I'll change the identification as run 7. Then I'll click on parameter. Then I'll select the company code, the payment method, and next run date. Then I'll select again the vendor. Then I'll go to additional log. I'll give due date check. Then I'll go to print out data medium. Here it is very important. RFFO EDI1 is a program. For that you need to assign the variant as EDI. Then click on save. Now you can see the run has been saved. Now I'll come to status. Now I'll run the proposal. So click on start immediately. So proposal start running. I'll keep entering. The response time will be little late. Let us wait. Keep pressing entering till proposal run successfully. You have to do this. Please bear with me. This will take little more time. And so status. Still it is running. Payment proposal has been created. Now you can click here. The proposal has executed successfully. Now I'll go to payment run. Press enter. So posting order 1 generated and 1 completed. So APP part is over. Now I'll show you how to generate the Idoc. Now in order to generate the Idoc, you have to go to SA38. Then you have to give this program name RFFO EDI1 and click on execute. So give the program run date and run ID. I'll give us 7. Then I'll give you the paying company code and payment method. And please remember, generate SAP Idoc. Here you have to give the local printer. Then print immediately. Then click on execute. It's executing. Let's wait for some more time. Now if you want to generate the payment advice, you can go for here LP01. Then go to print preview. See, this how we can see the payment advice. This is the payment advice. Now please watch here. This is the header Idoc has been created. To see the footer Idoc, you have to go to table. I'll go to AC16N. Then table REGOH. Then I'll give you today is the run date. Then run ID. click on execute. So you have to scroll to the right where it will show the Idoc number. Look at here, this is Idoc number 747, last number. It has generated the Idoc. Now we will go to WE02, click on execute. See, all the Idocs has been processed successfully here. So what you have to do, you have to click on this Idoc. This is a line item Idoc where you have the values which related to the vendor. Okay, this is the date where when you have run. Again, this is the date. This is also date. This is a number. This is a payment number. Then what is the run identification? All those things it will show here. So what is the amount? Everything it will show here. Now, in order to get this Idoc file, you need to check with the ABAPer where this is getting stored. Generally, they will check and they will tell you where it is getting stored. Generally, it will be stored in AL11 path. So here only subdirectories, in the directories and subdirectories, the files will get stored. The ABAPer will tell you what is the exact path it will get stored. You have to go there and download the file in the notepad. You can send it to the bank for the testing purpose. The bank will test it in their portal, sandbox portal, and they will tell all your Idocs is correct, or if it is wrong, where it is wrong, they will give you the file. You can compare. If it is can be corrected from our side, FI consultant side, you can do it. Otherwise, you can take a help of ABAPer. So this is how you can able to generate the APP along with Idocs. In my coming sessions, I'm going to take about the production support. What is meant by production support? What are the difficulties you are facing in the production support? What are all the landscape? How you need to deal with the different teams? Everything I'm going to discuss with you in detail. Thank you for listening and viewing my demo.